it's kind of surreal in a sense, because I remember being a kid like, oh, I like fixing things. And now I do fix a lot of things. My name is Diego Lara Garcia. I'm 23 and I work as an electrician apprentice at Mondelez. The manufacturing, especially advanced manufacturing side, I definitely would say it's rewarding in the sense of money. Starting in apprenticeships, depending on the type of apprenticeship, you could be making 25, 30 an hour, and ending the apprenticeship as a journeyman, 40, 50, maybe even 60, depending on the field. You don't have to know much. At the end of the day, there's such a need and a demand for people in the field that they're hiring people just to teach them. And over here, when you have people trying to push the trades, you get good jobs that are secure and will give you knowledge for basically anywhere in the world if you understand the principles that they're teaching.